Hi guys, Hemi from Source Life. Today I'm going to show you how to change the LED downlights. We have some problem with our LED downlights. One is not working. I'll press this one and then you can see on the top there, this one is off. As you can see, everything is on. Only this one is not working. So what you need to do is go to a lighting shop and find the same LED downlight like the one that you have. In my case, I got this one here. It's Lucy LED Lux. I got this from Beacons Lighting. So let's see what we have inside. As you can see, it's got the driver. It's got with the plug, and here's the LED. I'm going to show you how to replace this by yourself. We do not need a handyman. We can do it ourselves. This will save you a lot of money. As you know, labor cost is very expensive in this country or wherever you are. If you can replace it yourself, you'll save a lot of dollars. Gently put your nail in between the LED downlight. Gently push it downward and find there are two clips on both sides, on each side. So you need to find where that clip is. I find the clip, so I have to pull this and slowly take it out from the top. Once it's out, quickly roll it, push it through so you can get the cable out and the adapter. So that if this is not working, there is a possibility that the adapter is broken. That's why we need to replace it with a new one. So on the inside, it's gonna look like the same one, like what I got the new one. And then you can see there's like a power point here. See, that's a power point there. So just take it out. What we're doing next is just put all of this and plug it in up there. Gently put everything in, back in there. Gently put everything back. Just put all the cable inside and be careful with the dust. It may get into your eyes. Technically, ideally, you need to wear eye protection. Before you insert this back into the hole, you need to make sure the switch, there are three options. There's 8,000K, 4,000K or 3,000K. This will change the color. See, like if I change it like this, it changes color. This is like cool daylight, and then white, and then warm white. Now this has to be the same with the color that you have. As I mentioned before, remember the clip. Remember the clip on both sides. So put the clip up and then put it back in. There you go. Alright, now we can try to turn it on again. Alright, there you go. Voila, it's on. So LED downlight fixed by yourself. You do not need a handyman to replace this LED downlight. In the beginning, it may look difficult to replace, but remember what I said, just use your nails, slowly, gently take it down. Make sure you find the two clips on the sides, pull it down, and then replace it with the new one.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if this is helpful, like and subscribe.